What is she doing at your house?
Right now, she must be sleeping. But in 3 days, she is going to get married. To my nephew. By the way, Parvati isn't really interested in this marriage. She's pretty scared of Rudra.
What? What's the name you just mentioned?
Rudra? Rudra Pratap Ranawat.
That reminds me. What is his name?
Rudra Pratap Ranawat.
He works for the BSD, right?
Yes. I feel that this wedding is a fake one. I don't know why Rudra is forcing this girl into marriage. Anyway, forget it. The point is that I can help you. Only if you help me. You want the girl? I'll hand her over.
What do you want in return?
My nephew. Dead.
He is your nephew. Why do you want to kill him?
I really hate him. Though I don't have any enmity with him, we belong to the same family. You'll see how loudly I cry when he dies. So you will help me get rid of him. Is that a deal?
Yeah. Pretty stone-hearted.
Yes, and it's good. For stones are oblivious to the changing environment. Shall I consider our deal on?
Okay. When will I get the girl?
You help me get rid of my problem, then I'll hand over the girl to you. I cannot do anything before that.
Miss Mohini, listen. Do you have an idea whom you are talking to?
Yes. To someone who needs my help badly.
Don't be under any misconception. I don't need anyone's help to find Parvati. Please understand that.
I am sorry, sir, but you really need my help. You have been looking for that girl since a long time, but you still couldn't find her. And that's because she is under the protection of Rudra Pratap Ranawat, who's like a strong wall. He is like an impenetrable shield. That is why I'm telling you. It's very important to get rid of Rudra first. Only then will you be able to get that girl.
Fine. Keep in touch with me.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
By the way, Mr. Thakur, you just have 2 days. If he's protecting her so much even before getting married, then to what extent will he protect her after getting married? Bye. Who was that? Whom were you talking to?
Forget about all that, my dear. Please sit down. My dear, for the first time in my life, I shouted at you. I just don't understand how to apologize to you.
Tejavat, you don't have to apologize to me.
My love for you is very deep, Manju. That is why I had to apologize.
If the love is so deep, then remember this. No matter what happens, you don't have to apologize to me.
Thank you, my dear. I need to leave now. I have some very important work to finish. There is not much time left. So I'll leave now.
My nephew, dead. It's very important to get rid of Rudra first. Only then will you be able to get that girl, no matter what happens. You don't have to apologize to me.
Remember, dear Manju, no matter what happens. Okay?
Yes. Keep watching. It's time for her to disappear. Even Rudra's time is limited.
Mom, that's fine. But can I say something? What about that old man and his crutch? Won't you do anything about them, Mom?
Sumer, your mom never leaves anything incomplete. I'm thinking of a way to get rid of your uncle too.
What will happen then?
Then what? Our small and happy family will rule this mansion, which is rightfully ours. If anyone comes in our way, he won't be spared.
Mom, there is another way by which we can increase our happiness.
What is it?
Mom, maintaining this mansion is a headache. Why don't we sell it and make some money? And then we can leave this place and go to Jaipur. Mom, don't beat me. I'm a grown-up now.
You have not grown up mentally. You've just grown up physically. If you had indeed grown up, you would have behaved accordingly. Do you want to sell the mansion and go to Jaipur? What will you do there? Just while away your time?
Why? Can't I start my own business over there?
People say that the bigger the city, the more the expenses. We will be doomed there. There will be thousands of businessmen over there. And you, huh? You can't even finalize a single deal in Chandangarh without taking my name. Then what sort of business will you run there?
Mom, it's nothing like that. I have the ability to do a lot of things.
You have the ability to speak a lot, but you need to prove yourself first. The day you deposit rupees 1 lakh in my account, then I will agree with you. What happened? Are you counting or weighing how much rupees 1 lakh will be? Mad guy.